So I was bored and I decided to browse my favorite social media platform, Twitter, of course, and I came across this tweet of priest of Hindu temple where Muslim boy was beaten in India says his only regret is that it was filmed. So now a few weeks ago there was a video of a Muslim boy being beaten up by a boy because he apparently drank the water from a temple and he was Muslim, so he wasn't allowed to drink. So there was a guy who asked his name and then he started beating him up for drinking water basically. So now, please elect educated ministers. If you elect a tea seller, he will as a prime minister. What else can you expect? That makes no sense at all anyway. Hindutva terrorists get full support from community. Otherwise, it was okay to beat that boy because he is Muslim. India is the only place that actually held protest march for the rapist. The hate is on another level. Why the hell they want to go to temples? Are Hindus allowed in mosques? Mother Truth always come with victim card. Well, Hindus actually can go to the mosque, but some Muslims don't like that, so they don't go. Those scums enter the temple to rob. Obviously, they will get beatings. What are they going to rob? Leftover food and old clothes. Bleh. No one wants that shitty Hindu food. You fuck in Jack. We don't touch you Muslims. You are untouchable to us. You are made to puncture the vehicles. Now, I have not seen any Muslim puncturing any vehicles of mine or anyone else's, so I don't even know what this means. I don't even know what does you fucking Jack mean. Haha, I'm not Muslim, you fucking cow worshipper. Then I found another tweet. A Muslim boy was brutally beaten by Hindutva activists for drinking water from a temple. Make no mistake, he wasn't beaten just because he was drinking water from a temple. He was beaten because he is Muslim drinking water from a temple, and you should be furious about this. Let's see. Fact check. A 14-year-old Muslim boy enters a temple. Temple board clearly says that Muslims are not allowed and was caught doing vulgar act and was beaten up by Yadav Hindu. The drinking water was outside the temple and not inside. To say that he was beaten up because he enters the temple for water is false. Don't call them Hindu activists. They are not. Call them what they are. Terrorists. That title is only owned by a certain community. Now for the greatest reply of all time. Maybe he tried to poison water in the temple. Who know why mekhaps live on earth? I'm not sure if that's a word. Why would any Muslim go to temple for water? It's certainly a cover up. India don't want Muslims that break our country. We don't want history to repeat. Had enough experience of Muslims. Obviously, there are claims that these boys used to take bath in the drinking water well, even after several warnings. All of these who are supporting can't apply common sense. Why on earth will someone come to a well inside a temple to drink water? So apparently there was a well and he went to the well to drink water. But the drinking water was kept outside the temple and there was a sign saying that no Muslims are allowed in the temple, and that justifies the people hitting the boy. Yeah, makes total sense. Bye.